let's do a quick breakdown between the Oral-B Series 3 and the Philips Sonicare 7500. These are both fantastic toothbrushes from the top electric toothbrush brands. Now, I'll admit that I have been using Sonicare for 20 years, and currently I use this 7500. I absolutely love it. I love the different toothbrush heads that you can choose from the Diamond Clean to the Gum Care. You have a variety of options on these toothbrush heads, and then it also has a variety of modes. You have Clean, White Plus, Gum Health, and Deep Clean. And then when you clean with it, you actually have 3 intensity levels as well. So you have a lot of different controls on this one. But in general, I just stick with full intensity and the regular daily clean. And this will run for me for 2 minutes, buzzing every 30 seconds to notify me it's time to go to a different quadrant of my mouth. It has lights at the bottom telling me its battery life and when I need to swap out my toothbrush head. And if I'm brushing and I push too hard, it will change the vibration to let me know that I'm pushing too hard. Overall, this is a fantastic toothbrush that I highly recommend, and my dentist has been loving how well I've been taking care of my teeth for these years, so I know this is working beautifully. It comes with a travel case that actually has a USB-C port, so it will charge while it's in the case, and while it's at home, it comes with a regular plug. That said, Oral-B is currently ranked as the #1 dentist choice. If you look at a lot of the legitimate review sites, they are going to put these two neck and neck, but this one is winning. And I think the reason the Oral-B wins is because of their unique toothbrush design. It also has that really great vibration, but this top part of the toothbrush actually spins back and forth really, really fast. And so it's doing more than just vibrating. And I find it to be exceptionally intense when I use it, meaning that it's probably doing more. But I do find that because it's so intense and because of that circular design, I focus a lot more on my teeth and it's easier for me to miss my gums with this toothbrush. Now it also comes with a variety of toothbrush heads, from the ultra clean toothbrush heads to the sensitive or gum clean head. And then its controls are simpler. It just has an on-off and then it has 3 modes: your daily clean, a sensitive clean, and a whitening. But like I said, it's more intense, and I think one of the reasons why it feels more intense is it makes sure you are always applying the correct amount of pressure. When you turn it on, it's gonna have kind of a white-blue light here, and then when you push, it will go green if you're applying enough pressure, and it will go red if you're applying too much pressure. So it tells you visually when you're applying too much pressure, and also when it goes red, it will slightly change how it's brushing to slow down and try to adapt to the fact that you are pushing too hard. So I do think that this one might be more intense simply because I am pressing harder with it to make sure that light stays green. I am incredibly impressed with this. I just don't know it as well and am as confident in it as I am with the Sonicare. It also comes with a simple travel case that can hold the handle and 2 heads, a charger, and in addition it comes with this brush head holder that you can have on your counter or in a drawer. Really nice and clean. It has holes in the back so it'll air out. Just a great way to keep multiple toothbrush heads, whether you're using the same handle for 2 family members or if you're using different toothbrush heads for different needs. So while I'm quite biased and love this toothbrush, I know that the studies are showing that this toothbrush is outperforming right now. In general, Sonicare and Oral-B have been top contenders forever, so I'm sure it'll change and go back and forth. And I know that these are both fantastic toothbrushes, and I hope this video helps you make a decision.